outside feels calm and sweet. A cup of warmth held in my hand. In this moment, I understand. Let the music softly play through the corners of the day. In the quiet, hearts will sway to the gentle tunes that stay. The aroma wraps around the air, a simple joy beyond compare. Voices murmur, laughter light. In this space, all feels right.